Dear students, we have come across so many trigonometrical identities, trigonometrical formulas so far in different exercises we have completed. The last and final exercise of this particular topic is inverse trigonometric functions. So this you have seen in different aspects, but this particular problem is a totally application problem for inverse trigonometry. See how the problem is discussed, how it is in detail in how it is been given. Let us see. In exercise 3.11, the last and final problem, page number 149. A man standing directly opposite to one side of a road of width x meter. So that means a person is standing on the roadside. See, a person is standing here, you can take it as A here. That person is A. And the distance between the road, you can take it as the other end. The road other end is nothing but B. We call it as B here. The distance between them is x meter views. So that means x meter. This is what it is clearly given, x meter. So the person is standing over here and the road is on the other side, which is B. The distance between them is x for the first line. And after this, what is given? Views as circular shaped traffic green signal of diameter. This let us see afterwards. This one, this particular line we will see afterwards. The bottom of the green signal, that means something green signal which is across this line, but it is on the top of this, like this way. The signal is like this. So this is a green signal top and this is bottom. A person is standing here, this is road other side, on the other side there is a pole like standing on this, and this pole is this part, it is like this. The bottom of the part, the green signal, it is given like this. The bottom of the green signal is B meter height. That means this part is nothing but B. Remember that. Bottom of the green signal, that means this is the bottom of the green signal and this is top of the green signal. So this is like a round shape. I made it as a small picture which we can even we can enlarge it. So I have taken very simple way. This is signal. You know what are the signal things? Green, yellow and then red. So but I am not particularizing other two, only the green part, because the question is given only about the green. So I have taken into consideration only the green. I have not taken the yellow as well, the red. Don't ask me anything about this particular part, only about top of the green signal and lower end is nothing but bottom of the green signal. Okay. Now this is B meter, this is also B meter is given. So now let us discuss about this. Views a circular shaped traffic green signal is A meter. So that means this distance is nothing but A. So this is also like this part. Now it is A. Now this distance is B and this is A and only the green signal part. If alpha denotes angle subtended by the diameter of the green signal at the viewer's eye. This is what the question asked. This is what the question we have asked. So but that means I could take it this part as unknown thing which we call it as theta. So the alpha denotes angle subtended by the diameter of the green signal. So that means I should take it this part. I have to extend this and this part. I should take it as alpha here. Remember that. So now this is theta. This could be alpha and this is the one which we are supposed to calculate. The viewer's eye means from here to top of this green signal, what would be the angle? This is what the question is asked. See, now the question is, so we can name it now. A, we have given A for the person who is standing on the other side. The other end of the roadside is nothing but B. The lower end of the green signal we can take it as capital C. The top of the signal is green signal is D. So now I have named each and everything. So let us discuss about each part now. Let AB is nothing but a distance between the two places, distance between a man and the on the other side of the road. That we can call it as x meters. Okay, fine. Now let us take this distance, that is B to C. B to C is nothing but lower end of the green signal as well the ground level of the pole. So that means that is nothing but B meters, which is given. This is given by the data. By the data it is very clearly given. And what about CD? That is nothing but top as well bottom end of the green signal. That is small a. This is also given. So this is also given here. See, all this data given, we have to use some techniques of trigonometrical identities or simple formulas. For this particular problem, very simple formula we will do, that is triangle A, B, C. In a triangle ABC. What is ABC here? In a triangle ABC, you know there are values, trigonometrical ratios. See, if you know this angle, if you know these two sides, we can very well apply trigonometrical identities. What is that identity? That is opposite side and then adjacent side. This is opposite to that angle is B, adjacent to the angle is X. So I am going to take tan theta. So as you know, it is opposite side. Tan theta means it is nothing but opposite by adjacent. So that means B by X. So that is tan theta is equal to opposite side. In other words, I can name it as BC by AB. BC is nothing but small b by X. That means tan theta. That means theta is equal to, once it goes to other side. This is what this particular exercise we have come across. So theta is equal to, so goes to other side, tan inverse of b by X. Now let me take the other one in a triangle ABD. In a triangle ABD, we will take the entire triangle. What is the distance of BD here? What is the distance of BD? That is BC plus CD. BC is how much? Small b, and for this it is small a here. So we found out the length of the distance between them is A plus B. We found out here. Now in a triangle ABD, the same thing we are going to come across. This is opposite side. This would be adjacent side. This is like a perpendicularity like. So tan theta, tan of angle BAD. What is angle BAD? According to this diagram, angle BAD is what? Angle BAC plus angle CAD. That is nothing but theta plus alpha here. Though this I am substituting over here. So tan BAD is nothing but BD by AB. That is BD by AB here. BD is what? Nothing but A plus B, and AB is nothing but small x. So tan of what angle here? This is nothing but theta plus alpha. This particular one is theta plus alpha. Already we found out here. This I am just taking into consideration. So theta plus alpha is equal to tan inverse of a plus b by x. By taking this theta to other side, what happened? This alpha is equal to tan inverse of a plus b by x minus theta. Theta already I found out here as tan inverse b by x as a result. So you take it as 1 here. That could be substituted over this part. So tan inverse of a plus b by x minus tan inverse of b by x. That is the value we found out here for theta. That is the answer we calculated. So therefore alpha is a green signal at the viewer's eye. A person is standing here and he wants to see from tip of this particular point to the viewer signal. He wants to know what would be the angle for this. So a person is standing. Standing means why we take this one. See, I have taken on this side. Here means he has noticed from the here, and if I stand here, a person, and he could see from here only. So this particular part is alpha. So he found out the angle tan inverse of a plus b by x minus tan inverse of b by x is the value we found out. That's what we want to prove it. So hence it is proved. So the result is proved. The topic also over. Hope you could understand this topic well. Is it not? Yes.